go. Whee! Bro, look at how we crossing with the mower, bro. Yo, what is up? It's your boy Liz, aka MotoBroo. We're on the freaking beautiful Honda 50. We're doing some pit bike adventures. We're in the we're in traffic, and who knows what's gonna happen. We're just gonna vibe out. We're gonna see some Florida shit probably. I see the first cop. Let's see what happens, bro. First cop of the day. Does a 50 pass? Oh, we chilling, boy. We chillin', boy. Oh, we got homie. I mean, bro, the cop pulled me over. Look at homie over here. It's a vibe. Let's go. He grabbing his groceries. That's real Florida shit right there, boy. Homie grabbing his groceries with his lawnmower. There's the homie. He's bringing his lawnmower into the freaking racetrack, bro. That's hilarious, dude. Bro, look at how we crossing with the mower, bro. Are you kidding me, dude? You gotta be kidding me. That's the most Florida shit I've ever seen in my life, bro. Let's go! Yes, sir! Alright, gang, we're getting into the hot zone right now. So, we're about to see if we can stay undefeated today. But who knows? Who knows what's gonna happen? Bro, I look. Say what? He said do a wheelie. Do a wheelie. You know the flipping vibes? You know when someone says do a wheelie, you gotta pop her up. Should we get McDonald's real quick? Y'all know the vibes, bro. Pit bike adventures at the McDonald's. Gotta get a little 4-piece. You know. Hello?
Hi, how can I help you?
Thank you. Damn, we might as well hit a little circle right here. Damn, I could have hit another circle and went through. That would have been fire. Bro, it's so funny, just on the pit bike. Awesome, thank you. You too. We got my nugs, bro. We got the nuggets. We're chilling, boy. We got McDonald's. Let's go.
Oh, this is the bicycle I ever saw.
You can ride it if you want. It's pretty slow. Yeah. Yeah, I feel you. Is it comfortable? It's very small. It's not as comfy as a big bike, but it's still yeah, it's still fun. It does a lot of wheelies. Cool? You have a good day, alright?
Be careful, man.
I will. Beep beep. Beep beep. Bro, I need one of those horns at the clown horn. Burp, 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 burp. Let's go. Little Home Depot vibes. What we got going on here, man? What we got going on here? Damn, my butt, dude, my butt, bro. I've been riding this thing for so damn long. My butt is getting sore, dude. Sheesh, bro. But I need a drink ASAP. Gotta make sure no one steals my beautiful freaking pit bike, dude. It's a little risky mission. Bring it up on that.
Have a great day.
Thank you, you too. Shit, you gotta love technology in 2021, bro. could just tap your phone on the freaking screen and it pays. Oh. There's an undercover right there. Woo! Little wheel ski, and we are outie. Bro, I think we literally passed like 7 cops, bro. 7 cops, dude. Let's go! I just see someone laying on a freaking bed. Who knows? Who knows, bro? Just gonna let him do his thing. A little circle wheelie. Get this thing started. Yes, sir. Oh! Almost lost it right there. Let's go, swaggin', boy. A little swerve. Let's go. Let's go. A little one-hander. Alrighty, gang, another day. Your boy's undefeated on the pit bike. I don't understand how. I guess the community shredder is just, you know, they don't care. Everyone likes the community shredder. Alrighty, gang, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We're undefeated on the freaking 50. Everyone loves the bike, man. I don't know what else to say, bro. We're flipping undefeated. I know one day it's gonna come down and someone's gonna freaking snatch us, but today we're undefeated. Stay motivated. We have merch in the description down below. I freaking love you. Till next time. Peace.